This is the Panorama photo that we have just printed. This is a borderless Panorama photo. In this tutorial, we will show you how to print a 4x12 panoramic photo. So to begin, let us load the paper into the input tray. So we'll open up the paper tray and remove the letter size paper. So this is the Panorama paper that we want to print on. Make sure that you load with the HP logo watermark facing upwards. Load it into the tray. Now this is the main tray and not the photo tray, and use the paper guides. You can see that there is also a 4x12 marking on the main tray itself. Once that is done, close the tray. On the front panel, tap on the main tray and make sure that the paper size is 4x12. Select Done. So that's the setting on the control panel itself. Next, let's start up HP Smart App. We'll select Print Photos. We'll select a photo from my Photos folder. We'll select this photo to print. Select 4x12 Panoramic. Select Print. You can see that the paper size is 4x12 and it is in the main tray. To print borderless, go to More Options. Make sure that your borderless is turned on. Tap on the print icon to print this photo. Let's extend the output tray extender. And this is the Panorama photo that we have just printed. This is a borderless Panorama photo. And so, this is how you print a 4x12 borderless Panorama photo on your HP Envy Inspire 7955E printer.